Hi guys, recently I had a question. Do I have to do intermittent fasting? Can I just do keto without doing intermittent fasting? Okay, the answer is yes, you have to do intermittent fasting. Okay, here's why. There's a lot of people out there doing keto that aren't losing weight. Okay, why? Because they allow snacking between the meals. Even though it's low carb, which is a step up and much better, and a lot of people will lose weight, especially if they have a good metabolism. The great majority will not lose weight because of the fact that every time you eat, you stimulate insulin, okay? Frequent meals, bad idea. And the big point about this is if you're over the age of 45 or 50 or 60, menopausal, and you have a slow metabolism, keto will not work for you unless you do intermittent fasting, okay? Keto and intermittent fasting are equally important tools to help you get healthy and lose weight, okay? So it's not just about losing weight, it's about getting healthy so you can maintain it. You do it on a gradient. You do it slowly. You start with 3 meals, no snacks, add more fat at the meals, and then you start to push your breakfast forward and forward until you don't have a breakfast. If you're not hungry in the morning, don't eat, okay? Don't eat. Just don't eat. If you're not hungry anytime, just keep going because your body is eating your own fat, all right? So do them together and it will work for you. All right, see you later. Hey, before you go, definitely sign up for my free keto course. I put a link down below. It's on Messenger and Facebook, but it will give you all the basics. It's very quick. It's like 3 or 4 videos and it's free. Check it out.